Big storms last night. Massive thunderstorms in a place that normally doesn't get any rain. It is 60 degrees. Humidity is high. All of the smells of the desert are just intense. Beautiful morning. God, the smells of the sage. It's overwhelming. Little bunny. One of those little dudes. Cold. Amazing. Life in the desert. Oh, cool. I tell you, the monsoons here in the desert are very interesting to me. Everywhere else in the country, they've got 100-degree temperatures, and I'm sitting at 60 degrees, actually chilly when you're hitting 35 miles an hour. It's only going to be 81 degrees today, and it might not even rain since we had so much rain last night. We'll have some rain probably in the afternoon because of the heating and everything, but 81 degrees. And this is the hottest part July is really the hottest month, and then August it cools down even more because of more rain. So here we go. Make it through a short little summer. It's kind of weird to say that, living in the desert. It's definitely seasonal here. Well, I had the bike for almost an entire week now. Got 77 miles on it. Oh, I'm getting some little drips. It's raining. I guess I gotta go home. Caught in the rain. Oh, and the rain's cold too. That rain. I'll get little drips here and there. It's cold. Rain ride. What a gorgeous morning. Riding in the rain. So I guess we found the only downside to this very powerful e-bike. I don't want to get it wet. Little droplets. Well, that was a short one. Look at the mountains. Wow. short little ride in the rain.